Alright, so today I just wanted to show you this little thing that my wife did next to her bird cage. Kind of made a little extension to their hangout above the cage. So she just took a bench and put a towel over it, put their play stuff on the bench, which they're still getting used to, still kind of scared of it, so, but they're cool being next to it right now, which is good. And gives them a little bit extra area, still being in reach of their cage. So gave them a little food and a wet towel, and they seem to like it a lot. They've just been hanging out here for a while now, so thought it was a very cool idea. I wanted to share. He said stop.
Beating Sephiroth before we can.
Fill cup, Texas cup, Baby's cup, and there's copies of them over here with their own rankings, so that, I guess that's Katie's cup now. It used to be there. Yeah.
Are those later?
Rankings and shit.
That is true, but it is on the PS4 now. They could have.
So then the cat decided to take over the cage. And I don't think they were too happy about it. And then they fell asleep. Right there on the bench. Alright, that's all for day number 17. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to support us. We really appreciate it. Thanks and have a wonderful day.
I wish I had something like that.